Are you tired of looking at the same old living room? Or perhaps you recently got married, had kids, moved into a new home, are working from home, or had some other lifestyle change. After 8 years, wife and mother of 2, Jackie Ranaldo, was ready for a refresh, but kept putting her living room makeover on hold until she discovered furniture brand GDF Studio.
Our original sectional came from our previous home, which was chosen and designed for that space. So when we moved into this home, we realized that it wasn't in the right configuration. The postponement of redoing our living room was a combination of what am I going to do? What products are out there? Should we stick with a sectional? Should we have just a sofa and 2 chairs? A lot of it was just design struggle and then finding the time to really research what we needed and wanted. We found ourselves at a standstill when I finally was able to choose what I wanted and I had the look picked out, but the delivery delays were just way too long. Cost of items and things being out of stock definitely played a factor.
Jackie learned about GDF Studio from a friend and went to their website to shop around. Because of the affordability of the furniture, she was able to get everything off of her wish list. After placing her order, the pieces arrived at her home within a few days.
I was very impressed with GDF Studio prices. I was able to buy more than what I thought I could within the budget that I had. So I was able to get furniture for my entire living room versus just buying one couch from somewhere else. The items I selected were to match the color of my kitchen. I did want something more updated, modern, but comfortable and cozy for my lifestyle and my family. Once it was delivered to my door, I was able to bring the box in, open it up. The manual was right there, very user-friendly, and I put everything together on my own and was able to set it up in no time.
Kaylin Sampson, the marketing manager for GDF Studio, joins us to explain why Jackie's furniture selections work so well for a young family.
Kaylin, I love this sofa. It works so well in here and I have so much more space.
That's awesome. I'm happy to hear. It's just such a great piece for your space. It's not too big, it's not too small, it's super charming. I think the beige really helps to lighten up your space, but then you also have versatility with throw pillows, a throw blanket. You can really switch it up in any season. Now that we have a lot more room in here, I think it's really great to add in the addition of the coffee table. The stain works really well. I think it ties in the beige of your sofa with the rug. It really creates a cohesive feel and a fresh space.
I agree. Yeah. And now, we use everything with the coffee table. Yeah. So it's snacks, it's our feet, and we get to lounge and play games. So as small as it is, it really does allow for all the things that we want to do. So the leather chair I chose looks great over there by the fireplace. I love how comfortable it is, how easy it is to clean. Why do you think it works so well there?
Well, first off, I love a good reading nook, and so it kind of takes you out of the everyday space, and yet you're still in the same room, you're facing each other. It really enables conversation. And it just still allows for flow around the space, but you're still a part of the action. And I love the console table you picked out. Can you tell us a little bit about why you picked it?
I love it too. So I picked it because it works perfect in the space. It has shelves, so I can put books, knickknacks, pictures, and we're a family of 4, so storage is very important to us. So inside that console table has, room for blankets and pillows and
all
anything.
Things.
Yes, anything we want to hide for sure. We're a very active family, and with the pets getting on the sofa, how durable is this material?
Yeah, you're definitely getting quality when you buy from us, and it's durable. It'll last. It'll get through the family movie nights, the after soccer practice, relaxation time. It'll definitely last you, and it's easy to clean. The covers just pop right off. You throw it in the wash, put it back on, and you're good to go for the next week.
GDF Studio makes it easy to shop online at gdfstudio.com. In addition to living room furniture, GDF Studio also offers bedroom, kitchen, home office, patio, and pet furniture, as well as home decor such as rugs, throw pillows, artificial plants, mirrors, wall art, and more. For more information, go to designingspaces.tv.